How to install and activate plugins inside WordPress. In this video, I will show you how to install and activate plugins inside a WordPress site. Once you have logged in into your WordPress admin backend, you click on plugins. It will take you to this plugin page. Then you click on add new. Here you now search for the plugin you want to install. In this case, I'm going to use the example of the head and footer installer code installer plugin. So we type in head and footer, then a lot of options will come up. So this is the one I use for my website mostly, but you can look through and then you can get a lot of other options as well. So if you click here and so now once it is installed, then you need to activate it. Just click on activate and it will be activated. Now you will see it in your plugin dashboard. This is how you install and activate a plugin inside WordPress. Thank you. Another way to install a new plugin is, once you get to the plugin pages and you click on add new, then you may search like we have just done, or you may click on upload if you have it already on your system, on your device. So you click on choose file, then you can go to wherever you have stored it, and then you may go and then you click on upload, and then it will upload it. Then you activate it as we just did once upload is complete.